Today we have a question of this sort where you're gonna have I think that number is a large number, so got m to the power of minus 4 over 5. That's held in brackets, and that's gonna be equal to half, held again in the bracket, to the power of 4, where n is a number greater than 0. So they want you to work out the value of m. Wow. Now this is a bit hard question, but I think we can really solve it. So the first thing that we needed to do is to write this question again on the left. Repeat the same question, which is m to the power, but this time of course I might have to remove the bracket. That's minus 4 over 5 equals, but then I will have to rewrite this number as a bracket in a different way, which is gonna be like 2 to the power of minus 1, and this is gonna hold it to the power of 4. Right? Good. Now again, if you look at this, you will notice that you can actually simplify this question on the left to look a bit of let me show you. It's going to be the same thing as m to the power of 1 over 5. Yeah, 1 over 5 to the power of minus 4. Yeah, because again, if you multiply 1 over 5 times minus 4, it gives the same number. And of course, you could also write the same number here as 2 to the power of minus 4. That's minus 1 times 4 is 4. Of course, you can hold that in a bracket if you want to. So now you see that the powers here. Now in our previous videos we have mainly concerned ourselves with the same number at the bottom base, but this is a bit different. Now we are looking at the number at the power, which are the same. So what we do here, we're gonna cancel out minus 4 and then minus 4, so we're gonna have left m to the power of 1 over 5, and it's going to be equals to 2. So we have simplified it so far to work out the answer for m. Now again, how do you work out this? Well, what you could do is you're going to multiply this 1 over 5 by its reciprocal. Now what that simply means is that if you multiply this power by its reciprocal, you also do the same thing on the right side. That way it balances out. So this is going to be the same thing as like m to the power of 1 over 5. Now I'm going to multiply this by 5 over 1, and also on the right side 2, and then multiply that number also by 5 over 1. Okay, good. That way you can see that the 5 cancels out the 5 on the left and the 1 cancels out the 5, so leaving out just the letter m on the left. So you're gonna have m on the left and equals here. Now of course, if you have 5 over 1, well, that is the same thing as 5. You know that? So you might just as well write this as 2 to the power of 5. Now because you really want to work out the numerical value for m, all that we needed to do is to write this number 2 to the power of 5 to what number? Now, of course, you know that if you multiply 2 to the power of 5, again, I like to break it down so you know what we do. You multiply 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Alright? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And of course, we multiply this out. 2 and 2 is 4. 4 and 2 is 8. 8 and 2 is 16. And 16 times 2 is 32. So definitely you can see that m will have to be the number 32. I hope you've learned quite a lot from this question, and I do hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.